Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another Saturday Morning Makes, as well as hashtag two crafters, one design. Let's jump right in, and I'm going to show you what I use to create these with. So this week we are using My Creative Time Band-Aids, and I'm using this here as well as these here. And also for My Creative Time, I am using Take Care of Yourself, and I am using the hugs as well as, what's the other one? Praying You Feel Better Soon and Get Well Soon. So I'm using those from her sets. And then for these little positive signs here, I colored those up with these markers here. So BG72, E95, W5, W1, and then also from Prismacolor Cinnamon Toast. I went over to Pinterest to get some inspiration, and I like their color palette, so I tried to get something as close to that as possible. And since I had extra Band-Aid, I also used that, and then I put this background paper with it from Craft Perfect Tonic Studios, and I'm using this one here. And then this little positive sign or stitched plus cover die, I got that from Stamp Market there. And then this design here, I picked that up from Alita Craft. I also use Memento Tuxedo Black, and also this Signo Uniball pen for the little hash marks on there. All right, so let's take a closer look at those. Love, love, love this here. And so it turned out so cute to me. I love the colors that I got from Pinterest. I thought that color combo was really nice. And there was that Praying You Feel Better Soon for My Creative Time. And those are those hearts. I might take some glossy accents to those, not quite sure. I haven't finished the inside of the card yet, but I think I'm going to use that Hero Arts, the dies to put in there. They're just the plain rectangular dies, so I might use that. And then here goes this card here. Those are the dies from Alita Craft. Might Get Well Soon from My Creative Time. And then that Band-Aid, those Band-Aids are so cute. All right, and then I did put some enamel dots on there. And I finished it off with that same die from Alita Craft in the inside. All right, so those are the cards that I have for you this week. Make sure you use the links down below to Jill Norwood's channel, as well as the hashtag if you prefer to go that way, because it'll show everybody's cards for Saturday Morning Makes. And then if you want to use our hashtag for hashtag two crafters, one design, or use the link to Gloria's channel down below, it should take you there. Also, if you have these designs that we're using or something similar, just let us know and we'll come over and comment on your channels as well. All right, so that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.